See, one of the most expensive costs in promoting your inbound tour packages or services are taking part in this travel trade fair, such as WTM London, ITB Berlin, or ATM Dubai, or even taking part in any sales missions. Effectiveness, good ROI, that's another story. So I'm telling you, it's almost impossible if you want to cover the cost from the amount of business you'll be getting from this travel fair. So here is an idea. Imagine a platform where you can find and connect the international trade buyers, the international trade sellers, and you'll be able to communicate 24 hours a day and 365 days a year, and you'll be able to update, to contract, and to promote your products. And the best thing is, it's free. It's free. So once you connect, your cold contact become warm, and hopefully it converts into hot contact, even into sales. Then it makes sense. It only makes sense for you to meet them in person and spend big expenses going to this all world famous trade fair. So please, let's explore. I have the link below, and we can explore it together.